Well, yes, thank you for joining us. Tonight, for our interview, we have Cyanobacterium, or, as is more commonly known, blue-green algae. Thank you for being our guest tonight.
Well, thank you. I'm happy to be here tonight. Yes, I prefer the name Cyanobacterium. Algae are different. They're eukaryotic cells, and while I and my future progeny might be important in making the algae, I am not an alga. I am a cyanobacterium.
Now, you are making quite a change in the world. In fact, one might even say that the very air we breathe is being changed by you. Can you give us a little information about what it is that you do and what are those bubbles coming off of you right now?
Well, thank you. Yes. Actually, I live by using sunlight to make sugar. See, our planet is bathed with all this free energy, and I just grab a little bit of it and I perform photosynthesis and I make sugar, and that's how I make my living. In the process of this, I produce this oxygen gas as a waste, which then simply bubbles out of me and goes up into the air.
Fascinating, fascinating. Tell me, were you the first bacterium to perform photosynthesis?
No, in all modesty, I was not the first bacterium to perform photosynthesis. There are different kinds of bacteria which do it in slightly different ways, and including today, there are the purple photosynthetic bacterium. But I use chlorophyll instead to trap the sunlight, and I produce oxygen gas as a waste instead of something like hydrogen sulfide, which smells bad. And so I think I might have been the first one to do this combination of events in photosynthesis. So using a green pigment and producing oxygen gas as a waste, well, I think I did put those things together.
Well, thank you. Once again, Cyanobacterium. Thanks to you, the atmosphere of our planet has far more oxygen in it. In fact, you have affected the eukaryotic cells, the animals, which arguably couldn't live without you. Even the rocks have begun to rust and change colors because of you. So you've made quite an impression on this world, my young bacterium.